practices. It is a special privilege to release the report with the Secretary. Some of the world's most repressive regimes, from Cuba to North Korea, have changed little over the past year. But elsewhere, some governments are beginning to understand the need for change to get their countries on a sound economic base and to sustain a meaningful long-term relationship with the United States. This cannot be achieved without the rule of law, accountability in government, and the development of civil society.
September 11. Have they raised issues with the United States in terms?
The human rights situation there obviously remains poor. You're no doubt aware of the certification requirements we're under in terms of the military-paramilitary cooperation. There are also a number of abuses, great abuses, I would say, on the FARC, ELN, AUC side, beginning with kidnapping, beginning with deaths and torture, and working your way all the way through child labor. So it's a situation where the country is democratic and holds democratic elections, but because of the war, there are a lot of human rights problems ongoing in Colombia, and it's something we here are spending a great deal of time on, as you're no doubt aware, and have for the months we've been in power. But it's an issue of a country of great, great concern. They haven't tried that yet.
They haven't tried that?
Nope.
Could you answer how you think the United States would do on the State Department's human rights report?
Well, we don't try it. I'll tell you, my opinion is that at the higher levels, the Army understands, the generals understand that working with people like the AUC is not conducive to a good strategy of eliminating an insurgency. I still think that at the lower levels, there are still probably links. And though the Colombian Army needs to take care of those. Anybody at the back? No, go ahead.
I'd like to ask you about Slovakia and the problems with minorities, especially Roma. What do you think about this case? Did we improve or not?
Thanks, Phil.